Okay, so now let's review how do I solve a quadratic using a square root. So remember, the first thing I do is I take the square root of both sides. Okay, that means those two cancel. And so I get x minus 8 equals plus or minus. Now, I happen to know that the square root of 16 is 4. So that I know it's x minus 8 equals plus or minus 4. Now, I want to add 8 to both sides. And so now I get x equals 8 plus or minus 4. Now I want to split this into 2. I want to split this into x equals 8 plus 4, which is 12. And then x equals 8 minus 4, which is 4. Boom. Okay, and my answer is really both of them. Okay, so let's look at one more. So let's look at x minus 2 squared equals 14. Okay, so first off, I take the square root of both sides. And so I get x minus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 14. Okay, so now here I just leave it be. I leave the square root there alone because I can't take the square root of 14. And the next thing I do is I get x by itself by adding the 2. So x equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 14. Okay, and so this is my answer.